Introduction. Bird safe glass marks a significant advancement in the field of architecture, focusing on preventing the unfortunate incidents where birds collide with building exteriors. This glass is crafted to be noticeable to birds to deter them from flying into windows. The role of bird-safe glass is fundamental in conserving avian species and enhancing biodiversity. Definition of bird-safe glass. Bird-safe glass refers to a specialized form of architectural glass created to be detectable by birds, thus averting collisions. It incorporates specific patterns, markings, or materials that are visible to birds, helping them recognize the glass as a barrier rather than mistaking it for open space or natural surroundings. Importance in reducing bird collisions with buildings. The incorporation of bird-safe glass in construction is vital for minimizing the instances of bird fatalities or injuries resulting from collisions. Such incidents often happen because birds fail to see standard glass as an obstacle, leading to deadly crashes. Utilizing bird-safe glass makes edifices more accommodating to birds, markedly lowering the likelihood of these collisions. Why bird-safe glass is important. The pressing need for bird-friendly glass is highlighted by disturbing figures and ecological worries. Every year, countless birds perish from smashing into windows, an issue intensified by the transparent and reflective nature of standard glass. Regarding bird fatalities from collisions with glass structures, research indicates that in the United States, nearly 1 billion birds meet their end each year due to window impacts. These incidents are among the leading causes of bird deaths linked to human activities, underlining the critical demand for alternatives like bird-friendly glass. The consequences of bird collisions extend beyond the immediate loss of avian life. Such incidents have wider environmental repercussions, impacting bird populations, particularly those of migratory and endangered species, unsettling local ecosystems, and indicating a reduction in biodiversity. Adopting bird-friendly glass is a move towards ecologically responsible building practices that prioritize the well-being of wildlife. How bird-safe glass works. Bird-safe glass is crafted with insights into bird vision, integrating signals that warn them of obstacles. Understanding bird sight and glass design. Birds experience the world uniquely, perceiving ultraviolet light and sensitive to specific patterns and contrasts. Bird-safe glass uses these cues, embedding UV reflective or contrasting designs that birds notice, yet remain understated to humans. Innovations in preventing bird glass collisions. Progress in glass production has introduced multiple bird-friendly options, including acid etch or frosted glass. Features patterns etched into the glass that act as visual signals to birds. UV reflective glass, treated with materials that reflect ultraviolet light, rendering the glass noticeable to birds, yet inconspicuous to humans. FlySafe 3D PVB film laminated glass. That FlySafe 3D offers effective options for building facades with two different sequin sizes, 6 mm and 9 mm in diameter, with two color options of silver matte and shiny. Frit glass, glass embedded with ceramic patterns that are baked onto the surface, forming a textured pattern visible to birds. Digital print glass, glass with specific anti-bird design on the surface to create a noticeable patterns for the birds. Laser print. The surface of the glass is not impacted by the laser printing method. The elements, dots, or designs are applied by a laser in conjunction with nanoparticle tape. The laser print is wafer thin, color fast, light proof, smudge proof, and scratch resistant. The advancements in bird-friendly glass technology highlight an ongoing effort to prevent bird collisions, all while ensuring that the glass remains visually appealing and practical for people. Standards and guidelines. To ensure the effectiveness of bird-safe glass, various standards and guidelines have been developed. To foster the adoption of bird-friendly glass, various standards and certifications have been introduced to verify its efficacy. The American Bird Conservancy, ABC, has set guidelines detailing the necessary patterns and spacing to avert bird collisions. Certifications such as LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, now offer points for bird collision prevention, acknowledging the role of bird-friendly design in sustainable architecture. The Facade Safety Council, FSC, also offers guidance and certification for bird-safe materials, ensuring they meet established visibility and impact standards. Case studies and applications buildings around the world have effectively incorporated bird-safe glass, demonstrating its viability and impact. Notable examples include the Jacob K. Javits Convention Center in New York, which, after a renovation incorporating bird-safe glass, saw a dramatic 90% decrease in bird collisions. The California Academy of Sciences in San Francisco, which has a dome outfitted with bird-safe glass, marrying beauty with ecological mindfulness. These instances not only show the practicality of using bird-safe glass in major constructions, but also highlight its significant role in decreasing bird deaths and supporting biodiversity. Choosing the right bird-safe glass, choosing the right beer-safe glass involves balancing the needs of bird protection with the functional requirements of the building. When selecting bird-safe glass, it's important to consider factors that balance avian protection with human aesthetic preferences. The glass should have patterns or markings that are discernible to birds, yet subtly integrated to minimize visual disruption for humans. Reducing the glass's reflectivity is essential to prevent birds from mistaking it as open space or natural habitat. Additionally, the building's location plays a crucial role, especially if it's near bird migration routes or natural environments. To evaluate the efficacy of bird-safe glass options, one should scrutinize scientific research, seek advice from wildlife specialists, and refer to recognized certification standards, such as those provided by the American Bird Conservancy, ABC, or the Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, LEED program. Innovations and future trends in bird safety glass technology is advancing steadily, with ongoing research paving the way for innovative solutions. Recent progress includes the creation of coatings that change how glass looks in varying lighting, helping birds see and avoid it. The use of nanotechnology has also allowed for the crafting of intricate patterns on the glass, greatly reducing bird collisions. Looking ahead, efforts are focused on improving the visual appeal of bird-safe glass to promote wider use and investigating its long-term effects on bird populations and ecosystem diversity. Conclusion. Bird-safe glass is a key element where architecture meets wildlife preservation, going beyond just looks and utility to address crucial biodiversity conservation. The call to action is for architects, planners, and building owners to integrate bird-safe glass in their projects, enhancing sustainability and friendliness to wildlife in our built spaces. By doing so, they reduce the negative impacts of urban development on bird populations and demonstrate a dedication to environmental care and sustainable lifestyles.